Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the future, the 2026 BMW M5. This latest generation of the legendary M5 pushes the boundaries of design, technology, and performance, blending luxury with exhilarating power in a way only BMW can deliver. If you thought the previous M5 was impressive, wait until you hear what BMW has packed into this beast. From the outside, the 2026 BMW M5 exudes aggression and sophistication. BMW has taken a bold approach with sharper lines, wider fenders, and an even more imposing front grille. The signature kidney grille is now slightly more streamlined, featuring active air vents for improved aerodynamics. Sleek, laser-powered headlights give the M5 a futuristic look while enhancing visibility. The sculpted hood and flared wheel arches emphasize its muscular stance, and the rear is equally striking, with a sporty diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and an LED taillight bar that stretches across the trunk. Lightweight materials, including carbon fiber elements in the roof and mirrors, help improve performance while maintaining a premium feel. Under the hood, the 2026 M5 is an absolute powerhouse. BMW has equipped this high-performance sedan with a plug-in hybrid twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 750 horsepower. The hybrid system provides instant torque, resulting in a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3 seconds. The xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, while a rear-wheel drive mode lets purists enjoy that classic M5 driving experience. BMW's latest 8-speed automatic transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, and an upgraded adaptive suspension system allows the M5 to handle corners with precision. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking tight corners on a track, this M5 delivers an unmatched blend of power and agility. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that screams luxury and innovation. Premium materials like merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara details create a sophisticated atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit features a massive curved display that integrates both the digital instrument cluster and the latest iDrive infotainment system. BMW's new AI-powered personal assistant learns driving habits and adjusts settings accordingly. A customizable ambient lighting system sets the perfect mood, while the M-specific bucket seats provide both comfort and support during spirited driving. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with improved legroom, high-quality finishes, and even optional massaging seats. One of the most unique features of the 2026 M5 is its advanced hybrid system, which allows for a pure electric driving mode. This means you can drive short distances on battery power alone, making the M5 more eco-friendly without sacrificing performance. The car also features an upgraded M-Drift analyzer, helping drivers perfect their controlled slides in a safe environment. The latest version of BMW's M Mode lets you fine-tune the driving experience with customizable settings for steering, suspension, and power delivery. Additionally, the M5 is equipped with cutting-edge autonomous driving technology, making long road trips more effortless than ever. The 2026 BMW M5 is the perfect fusion of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. With its bold design, electrified performance, high-tech interior, and game-changing features, this M5 is redefining what a performance sedan can be. Whether you're a die-hard M enthusiast or someone looking for the ultimate daily driver, this car is guaranteed to impress. That's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new M5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more futuristic rides. Thanks for watching.